Hello, my name is April Lowe. Welcome to my video for the week 6 in anatomy and physiology in Miss Van's class. So this week we're going to talk about the heart, and in my video I'm going to identify its parts. So without further ado, we're going to examine the heart. And so this is the heart, and there's chambers. Obviously this is the right, the left, the left and the right part. So, and this is the apex. Visceral pericardium is the surface of the pericardial membrane. The epicardium is the inner layer of the pericardium that is in contact with the surface of the heart. It is in continuous with the pericardium. The right atrium, right here. The right atrium receives and holds deoxygenated blood from the superior vena cava. The inferior vena cava and the coronary sinus. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the left and the right pulmonary veins. The atrium used to be called the auricles. So now as I mentioned, we're going to mention the right and the left ventricle. The ventricles are the two chambers that collect and expel blood received from an atrium towards the peripheral beds within the body of the body and the lungs. The left ventricle is located at the bottom of the heart, which is thicker than the right ventricle. So now we're going to proceed to the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk is a major blood vessel of the human heart, which originates at the right ventricle, which it branches into the right and left pulmonary arteries, which leads to the lungs. The functions of these vessels is to transmit deoxygenated carbon dioxide rich blood from the right and the left ventricle to the lungs. The aorta is the largest artery in the body. It begins at the top of the left ventricle, the heart muscular pumping chamber. It distributes oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. So there is an aorta here. There's a descending and ascending aorta, which unfortunately it's just all convoluted. Something's going on here. It's all full of fats. It's hard to explore it. So the vena cava carries deoxygenated blood. It has the superior and the inferior and the coronary sinus. All blood enters the side of the heart through the two veins, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava and coronary sinus all carry deoxygenated blood. These are great veins or blood vessels of the heart. Veins are afferent vessels that usually bring deoxygenated blood to the heart, except the pulmonary vein. So now we're going to open up a heart that I dissected. Ta-da! And it's nice and cleaner inside, no fat. So now we can identify a lot of parts here. Now we can take a look at the inside here. We can find the tubercle right there, and the pulmonary valve is here, right here, the pulmonary valve. And we can find also the pectinate muscles are here, above here. And we will also see the papillary muscles right here, and the ventricles. This is a thinner with the thinner wall is the right ventricle, and the one with the thicker wall is the left ventricle. So we're gonna proceed to see the aortic semilunar valves are here. Okay, let me just aortic semilunar valves are right up here. The bicuspid valve are here, and this is the chordae tendineae right here, and the papillary muscles I already mentioned, and this is the right ventricle, and the semilunar pulmonary semilunar is up here. So, and the aortic semilunar is up right, but where is it? It's right here. So, I hope that covered most of the part of the pig's heart. Thank you for watching my video. Once again, this is April saying bye. Thank you.